Hello, everyone. I'm John, an official mentor from AmazingTalker. Today, we will be discussing how to set up your new teacher profile here. So as you embark on this journey, you will find that the system provides you with a template and it's recommended to change, while some teachers customize, others may not. But you need to understand that the teacher profile is a crucial aspect when establishing your presence on AmazingTalker. So that's why I'm here to guide you through the easiest and most effective way to showcase your expertise and skills so that you will have more students in the future. Well, let's dive in. So in order to do so, log into your AmazingTalker profile and then go down to Teachers tool. So from there, find Edit My Profile and then click it on. Then we need the last one, Edit Profile, like your subject, English here. Well, you will see two main categories that we are going to talk today, and the last one is going to be your video introduction. So we will have another video that's talking about video introduction, but today we're going to be talking about teacher's wall and teacher's profile. Well, what is teacher's wall? First, let me show you. Well, this is what's called a teacher's wall. So here, sometimes students want to contact you and then they would be searching teachers on the teacher's wall. And it's very easy for them to do. Well, that means the teacher's wall is very important to get the students. And now we're going to be talking about the most important factors that we really need in order to get your students. So the first one is going to be your name. Most teachers usually just include their name, but AmazingTalker requires you to include your name with your expertise or some unique points that you have. Just like you see on teacher's wall, all teachers have their name with their expertise. So, and also they include some emoji. So this helps the student to get the attention even more faster. Well, name is considered to be very important. And the next section that is kind of very important is that I don't know how to call this section, but this is also very important to get your students. Well, you can actually include your promotions, let's say like 30% off, 40% off, or you can actually include your expertise. This is going to help you a lot to showcase what you really have in your class. Then apart from that, students also look at what language you speak and also your reviews. This is also very important. And the last important section in teacher's wall is the description. Well, description plays very big role. So when a student actually going to choose the teacher, they're going to look at the description and then understand what they have. So your description should be very short, yet effective to catch the student's attention. Well, try to spend a little bit more time and then include your expertise and unique points, what you have in your class and the benefits that they get. So it's going to help you a lot. Well, I also include all of them in my profile, so it's going to help you a lot. And if you have any more questions or template, just contact me on AmazingTalker. I will be helping you for free. So now we will see how actually we can modify them. First, in order to change the name, just click teacher's wall. And then from there, you would be able to modify them accordingly. The first one is your name. Try to include some emoji here that they also give. The second one is that section that I told you. So you can actually include your promotions. Let's say, oh, I have promotion today, or for 1 month, I'm giving, let's say, 30% off, 10% off. So you can actually convince your customers, just like your customers to you, so they would be able to get into the process. And apart from that, we have the description. So the thing that I told you very important is your description. There is also recommendable section here. So as you click, there is some recommendation. You can actually learn from there, or go to Teacher's Wall and try to spend some time to see what actually highest rated tutors are doing. Well, after you complete your English, if you speak another language, please go to another language settings. Now, for example, I have Korean, then copy what you write from English section and then paste it to Google or maybe another AI tool, then translate it to Korean and be sure to use their limit. So they all have limits. I'm not sure how many. Let me try to check it. I think they have around, yeah, there must be a limit actually. So please be careful to keep it short, but yet it must be engaging. So try to include some emoji and some interesting unique points for your class. So it's going to catch your students' attention quickly. Well, after that, after you modify your name and your description in the Teacher's Wall, we are going to move to the second part. So let's imagine you catch your student attention and now they are going to learn your profile. Well, the first thing that they visit is your profile, of course, and then, yep. So this means this is also should be very nice. As long as a student is going to your profile but not buying, that means you have some problems there. Maybe you didn't modify. A lot of students know that this is the point that newcomers usually use. So if you are the new teacher, please modify all of them and then try to include your unique points with your bullet points. So in order to do so, just click the teacher's profile and then spend some time to see what actually will work. The first one is your selling point. Well, I suggest you to include your background, and it will be shown just right here. So when they join, they would be able to see what you have without even extending it. So please try spending some time to include your unique points. Let's say your expertise, the experience that you have, and what kind of abilities that you can give in the class. So this is called selling point. After selling point, we have the course modules. Then explain everything. So if the student is interested, then they're going to extend and learn your course. Let's say you teach conversation, please give the benefits, like explain the benefits, what kind of benefits they are going to have, and what kind of how much time they're going to spend on your class is very important to mention, like conversation, business module, like IELTS, what you teach. And then the last one, this is also very important, your huge pluses and your classroom rule. So you can include your huge plus. Let's say you have some unique personalized material. So you can actually include that. And apart from that, you would be able to put your classroom rules. It's very important. Please spend some time to write down all of the rules that you have. And then as you mentioned, you will have no problems when there is an argument with the teacher and student. So this is going to be all there. And if you really need help, or if you actually have some time to learn the market, I would highly suggest you to go to the teacher's wall again and then see what highest rated tutors are doing. Just go to the profile and try spending some time and then learn what actually teachers are doing and what kind of ways they are having. So the system is very nice. So you can actually see the teachers with their rate. So let's say you want to have most lessons completed first. So as I click that one, I will be able to have the teachers who are having like very good, outstanding performance on the platform, and then just go to their profile and then copy or learn from them. Don't just copy, please. Just learn and then modify it to yourself. So it's going to help you a lot to understand the market and what actually is working as a teacher. So this is going to work for you as well. And if you actually use some AI modules, you can actually send and then try to modify your message to them, just like maybe using ChatGPT is going to be a very useful tool for your teaching. So if you need any video related to using AI for your class, please contact me. For now, this is going to be all. Please go now and take action, try to modify your profile. And then if you have any questions, I will put the link down below. You can contact me and I will be mentoring you on there using Zoom call. So it's totally free. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.